Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Siacoin. In my earlier video, I was showing you that after the breakdown from an up channel, the price line was moving down to test the very long-term support, uptrend line support. Now, if you take a look at the live chart, this was the channel that I was showing you. Now, for the breakdown, the technical target was here at the bottom of the channel at $0.0057. We broke down this level. By the way, this was also quite long-term support as well. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this point, $0.0057, this support had been previously working at a resistance here for several weeks, a month, and here it was working as support here for a few weeks. It had been working at a resistance, and for a few weeks it had been working at a resistance here as well. And now again, it is flipped into a resistance. If you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that the price line tried to break it out here. It got rejected for a while. We broke it out here, but again, we have broken it down. And now it is bounced from this uptrend line support that I was showing you in my previous video. This is a quite long-term support, by the way. You can see that this support is coming from here, from the month of November 2022. We had stable bounces. We had a bounce here, another bounce here. This was another bounce, stable touch points here. Then we had another bounce here, another bounce here. And recently it is again getting bounced. Despite this long spike, price and could not break it down. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this recent breakout from this down channel. And we will also take a look at this very, very massive breakout that is happening here on the 7 days time frame chart from this big and long-term down channel as well. So far, after the breakout, by the way, from this low to this high, it was rallied more than 984%. And after the breakout, from this low to here, it was pumped almost 630%. But so far, it did not hit the target for the breakout from this channel, and we will also discuss that target as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for VChain, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade setup I shared on 12th of January 2025 in my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of Siacoin. And here you can see that first, we broke out this down channel. Then, from the month of Feb 2024 up till the month of September, it has been moving inside in another down channel. After the breakout, we had a nice short pump, but the pricing got rejected by this long-term resistance of $0.0085. That was previously working as a resistance here and support here, support here, and support here. And now after the breakdown, it is again flipped into a resistance. We got rejected and also broke down this smaller up channel as well. And now we have recently tested this uptrend line support. If you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that despite this long spike, the pricing could not break it down. But over here, we have also found another downtrend line resistance as well. And now we will also need to break out this resistance. If we will have a successful bounce from the support first, we will need to break out this resistance. Then we will need to break out this long-term resistance of $0.0057. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this recent down channel is here at the top of the channel at 1.4 cents. And over there, we have another quite long-term resistance. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this point, 1.4 cents has been previously working at a resistance here, support here, and support here. And now again, it can work as a strong resistance. And the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term down channel will be here at the top of the channel. That will be somewhere between 6.5 cents to 7 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.